Monire mosa. So on this channel, I'll be teaching you Chitumbuka. Chitumbuka is one of the main languages spoken in Malawi. I'm so excited for you because if you have ever wanted to learn a language for free, this is the channel, Chitumbuka Naroreni. So I'm here to teach you everything ins and out of Chitumbuka language. Chitumbuka is spoken in Malawi and in some parts of Zambia where they call it Lunda language or something like that. But yeah, it becomes handy, especially if you want to travel or you just want to learn a new language, or you are already in Malawi but you want to polish up your Chitumbuka. This is the channel. And if you have any questions, just put down in the description below in the chat and I will respond to you. Thank you.